Assalamu alaikum. Today is our second day at PC Hotel in Karachi. We sleep late at night, so kids are still sleepy and ready for breakfast. They are waiting for me in the hallway. Personally, I'm not tired since I am an early riser. Today we shall have halwa puri in breakfast, but the kids decided to have waffles and pancakes. Everyone is having breakfast according to their mood and choices. As you can see, everything is looking fresh and yummy. They make fresh puris when you need it. Even their naan and paratha are prepared at the right way when people want them. Today we also saw a pan stall there. Let's see how they make pan. In sweet pan, they added lots of candies, coconut shaving, chocolates, dry fruit.
They're putting so much candy into this leaf. I've never personally seen pan or eaten pan before, and I don't really want to. I'll just eat the candy itself. But we recorded this for you guys so you guys could see what Pakistani people eat, and this is especially eaten after important like festivals or parties. While we are watching how pan is made, you guys go subscribe, like, and turn the notification bell on. After we were done having our breakfast and getting ready, we decided to go explore the city earlier in the morning. Because of the experience we had received yesterday, we learned people aren't really outside early in the morning because most things open up from 11 to 12 a.m. And that is when all cars are literally bumper to bumper. Pakistan doesn't really have traffic rules. They do have traffic rules, but they don't really enforce them. And that is why cars are driving all over the place. So we decided it is much more safer to go out and explore a little earlier. First, we decided to go to a restaurant which is located in Phase 2 with the name of Eton. This place sells a variety of paratha rolls, Chinese barbecue, sandwiches, burgers, and much more. We weren't sure if it was open or not. The weather was hot, but it was not as bad as yesterday. We saw rickshaws, bikes, cars, and everything. It was really fun. But we were now starting to get hungry, and unfortunately, something really sad happened. Eton was closed. You can probably see here that the place was open and there's workers working, but they were just getting started for the day, just starting up all the stoves and ovens and everything. So my dad had to think and take us to some other place. So let me tell you a little bit more about what we were going and seeing. After we decided to go to A1, which was located really near Eton. It is just like Eton, but unfortunately it was close too. So my dad had to think a little more, and he was going to take us to a place which was 5 to 10 minutes away. That's when we went through Sadr. Sadr is a little more historical because it was first divided into 11 counties and had a government system, but that ended in 2011, and that's when it became a residential area and a bazaar. Then we saw many other things. We saw a graveyard which was only for Christian people. Muslims are mostly the main part of the population according to religion, so all the Christians in Karachi, when they die, they shall be buried here. And just across the street, we saw a building where one of our favorite drama serials, Nadania, was filmed. We saw it and recognized it because in every single episode, you can see the characters talking comedy and everything right there. So that was also super fun to see. And in the distance, we could also see Tariq Road. We recognized it by the big McDonald's sign, which is on the front building. Well, here is the place that we decided to go to, and it was with the name of Kheer House. It was in an area named Said Manzil. And my dad told me it was probably the best kheer I would ever eat. The kheer is a type of rice pudding, you can say, which is sweet. I really loved it. It was super good, and I had to take a couple of bites even though it was super sugary. We decided to explore Defense Phase 2 where Eton and A1 were located. And my dad said the best club sandwich he had in the world was KB's club sandwich. So you will see that later on in the video. And after, we went to explore more of Karachi. And if you watched our last video, then you might recognize this place. This is Defense. Yes, we are back here because it is one of my more favorite places in Karachi. Defense is for people with higher status, and it is a much better community. Let me tell you a little bit more about Defense. It was originally established for housing retired army officials, but today, regular families live here too. Although part of Karachi, Defense is actually governed directly by Clifton Cantonment Board. The DHA serves as the administrative authority only. And why do I like this place more? Because my mom also likes this place and she wishes to have a house here. And one more thing that I like about houses in Pakistan is that their roofs are flat and you can go on top of them because they have a little area and a wall that helps you not fall over. And it is much more fun because in America, roofs are cone shaped and you can't really go on top of them. But in Pakistan, it gives you like an extra floor, you can say, where you can relax and have fun. But why did we come to Defense? Well, we were just trying to explore and find new places. And there were a lot of restaurants, shopping areas, and many different places to see. And it was really fun to see these places because they had funny names, they were nicer on the inside, and as you probably already know, me and my family, we love to eat. So it was really fun to see all of this. Thanks to my dad and mom for giving me the chance to come here. While we are going around, let me tell you some cool places that you can go and see in Defense. Arena. Arena is kind of like an amusement park where you can have fun gaming, play golf, ice skate, rock climb.
KB's is my favorite restaurant because when I first got married to Huram, we used to go there a lot. I have eaten club sandwiches from many places, but when I ate KB's club sandwiches and the grilled sandwiches, the debate had ended there. I had put KB's club sandwich in first place. My kids had only eaten club sandwiches in America, which are nothing like Pakistani club sandwiches, so this was new for them too. Their menu consists of burgers, sandwiches, Chinese food, and of course Pakistani food. Today we order beef burger, grilled sandwiches and club sandwiches. The order will take 30 minutes to come, so in that time we thought to make a video. The burger was average, but still their club and grill are very tasty.
Finally, our order arrived. This is the burger, grilled sandwich, and the club sandwich shall soon arrive.
If you get a chance to go to Karachi, please at least one time eat them. Now they have many branches, but we go to Muhammad Ali Society. They will open by 11 o'clock, so don't go there earlier, otherwise you have to wait in hot. For the meantime, we are the only one who are sitting here.
My mom is talking about having sandwiches and burgers. I am still missing my kheer. That was so good. This is the club sandwich, which from my perspective was the very best out of all of them. It was probably the best club sandwich I've eaten through my whole life. It was better than any club sandwich that I had eaten in America, that's for sure. And after a day of eating and having fun, I think we were all a little drowsy and it was time to go home. But when I go back to the hotel, I'm not just gonna go to bed. One of my favorite dramas is about to drop at 8 o'clock. So we had to hurry home, and I was after time and time again, I was annoying my mom and dad to take us back to the hotel because I really wanted to watch that drama. And I hadn't watched it live before, and I usually watch the replay. So it was going to be much more fun. While you guys are watching us go back home, be sure to subscribe, like, turn the notification bell off. And one last thing, Don't forget to follow our Instagram at Me, Mom, and Family.